Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today we're going to make baked cheesecake. So let's get cooking. Okay, let's get going with the base. In a food processor, add the biscuits and whiz them up until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. Sometimes it's best to use the pulse setting when doing this, but it's totally up to you. You can add the salt now or with the butter in a moment. It doesn't take long, and this is just about the consistency you're looking for, just a fine crumb. Now add the melted butter and give it another whiz in the food processor. Pour the biscuit base into your lined spring form tin and using the back of a metal spoon, press it into the bottom of the tin. Make sure the crumbs are spread evenly over the base. Now go ahead and pop the base into the fridge while you're making the cheesecake mixture. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add your cream cheese and give it a good whisk with the paddle attachment to break up and make it smooth. Then go and add the ricotta. Sometimes I use this ricotta from the deli section and sometimes I use the smooth ricotta you can get in the tubs. Unfortunately today I could only get the one from the deli section because I do actually prefer the smooth one in the tub. Then add the sour cream. Then add the custard powder. This is your insurance policy to make sure it sets nicely. Then give it a mix in your stand mixer until it's just combined, being careful not to add too much air to the mixture. While the mix is still running, add the caster sugar. Add the eggs. Again, only mix until it's just combined. Finally, add the vanilla and the lemon juice. Remove the base from the fridge and pour your cheesecake mix into the tin. Take the time to smooth off the top of your cheesecake and then give it a few little bangs on the bench just to get any big air bubbles out of the mixture. Now, place your cheesecake into your preheated oven. My cheesecake cracked again. I need tips, I need help. I'm just going to cut a bit off and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, it's very delicious. It's super creamy. And I do love it with the berries, but you could have it with honey, dulce de leche, Biscoff is great too. Okay, here we go. That is one of my all-time favorite desserts. The flavor isn't overpowering. It's actually a really soft texture, not quite as dense as a New York baked cheesecake. It's a little bit lighter because of the ricotta, but I'm telling you, this will be a crowd pleaser, whether it's summer or winter. It is delicious and definitely one to have in your repertoire. So I really hope you enjoy and I really hope you give it a go. Happy cheesecaking.